What up guys, I'm the Queenstars1. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do funny ringtones, but it's going to be a part 2. If you haven't seen the previous video, make sure you go and check that out. Also, at the end of the video, I want you guys to go comment down below which one is your favorite, and if you want me to do a similar related game other than funny ringtones. Some of these, just warning you guys, some of these I might have done last time because I almost did all of them, but some of them I didn't do. So I might do some of the same ones, but don't worry. It's still going to be funny. And if you hear any background noises, that's just my brother, so be aware. Okay. Frog Brazil. Okay, no, I'm going to pick up the phone. What the? Do you guys want to know what my favorite was? Go down in the comments below at the end of this video, because then I can tell you which one was my favorite one.
Note to self, always answer the phone with a smile and be nice to people because they will be nice to you.
Sorry, that never works. That doesn't always work.
Michael, will you answer your phone before your wife puts your dinner in the dog?
You guys want to do here. This one, I like this one. Let me find it. Hold on. Wait, what's opera? Okay, no, let's do Pulp Fiction. Sing in India. Why are these all about picking up a phone? Guys, I don't know what they mean. One like equals one unconfused Indian singing. Drunk Batman. Tell me guys, make sure one like equals equals one undrunk Batman. Wait, bacon pancakes.
Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon and I'll put it in a pancake. Bacon pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Bacon pancakes.
Okay, and also please don't copyright this video. We're just doing a game. We're just doing funny ringtones, and we're just doing a video because we don't want to get copyrighted. So please don't. This is a crazy chicken, oh gosh. Wait, what's Pac-Man remix? Da 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 da. Okay, that is weird. Also, guys, just letting you guys know, whoever's watching this, just letting you know, I can do a video of impressions of my brothers, or just impressions of things, of like random people. Comment down below if you want me to try and do an impression. I might not be able to do it, but you can at least comment down below and tell me. Okay, so let's see. Mexican hat dance. Okay, I'm sorry I pressed that button. Mission Impossible.
Should you choose to accept it, is to answer your phone.
The mission you accepted is to answer your phone. Music box. The voicemail lady.
This is the voicemail lady. I'm really tired of taking messages for you, so pick up your phone.
Master, I have mail for you. What about Jungle Mobile? Why are these all about, like, literally about telephone? Hold on.
Hi, mate. It's a geezer calling on the other end of the phone, so pick it up.
Let's see. Indian phone advisor.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, good morning. Thank you, please. Your telephone is ringing. Please pick up. It is most important. Please, thank you. Thank you.
I love you, so I can never let you go. This is, guys, I can't explain how cringy this is what I'm listening to. I'm sorry I actually pressed that. Oh gosh. Hello, Motto.
Hello, Moto. God's gift to women, wanted on line 1. God's gift to...
Wait.
I'm telling you people, if you
Wait, no, wacky clown.
Before it was boring, now someone is calling. Before it was boring, now someone is calling.
There was one that said something about this person saying something about guacamole, but I don't. Wrong India. India. Guys, don't judge me if I try doing accents and I don't do it right. There was one that I wanted to do. Wait, what? Wait, where is the one? Wait, sweetheart, you gotta.
Sweetheart, you got a call on line 1.
Wait,
Yo, pick up the phone. Holla.
Kung Fu Crab. Okay, look. Wait, 66. What the heck is this? Work is calling again.
Yeah, hey, look, you probably don't want to answer your phone because it's work calling again. You'd think maybe just this one time they can make it without you.
Yeah, that sucks. That sucks when people have to go to work. It's just really boring. Wait, air. I like this one. No, wait, turn. Happen increment.
Incoming message.
Silent ring.
You left your phone on silent ring again. You tosser.
Wait, this is the call.
Now take this incoming call from the CIA. Incoming call from the White House. Telephone call for the king of the castle. Telephone call for the master.
I have no clue what they're talking about.
Do not take this call.
Incoming call from do not take this call.
Bring! Bring! What do you think? I'm doing this for my health? It's Mr. Friendly. Pick up the
Wait, no, we did that one. Let's see. The Simpsons funny version.
Conteste rápido tu teléfono porque son tus amigotes para invitarte una cerveza.
That's from Mario, I think, at the end of it when he would die. Oh, here you
Got mail, and it's probably garbage.
go.
You want to delete it now.
Let's see. Doughboy.
Rodney, answer that phone, you great long car. You know it, mate. Work all night, gonna drink a rum.
Okay, wait. Wait. Okay, wait. Get the phone. Pick up the phone. Okay, something related to that is the banana phone. This is so cringy. Guys, whatever you do, you need to listen to this. It's so important. It's so direly important. So you really need to listen to this.
Listen, dear.
Aunt Tilly. Listen, dear. Billy, pick up the phone. The adults are sleeping right now.
To those around you who are trying to sleep.
You who are trying to sleep, Billy.
And all they hear is this. Meantime, the sooner you pick up, the
Told you already. Da 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 da. Drunk captain. This is the captain speaking. Anyway, I can try and do an impression of him.
We're gonna take off anyway.
Funky late night drive. Nah. Okay.
Answer your phone.
Wait.
General quarters, all hands man your battle stations, all hands man your battle.
You know what that is? That's right. It's the phone for you, gringo. And you better answer it quick, man.
What's blinking?
Bling, 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 bling.
Let's see.
Hello, BBC.
Pick up the phone, pick up the phone, pick up the phone, pick up the phone, pick up the phone.
Trying to find the one where it's like, guacamole! It was in the first video, guys. Make sure you guys check that out.
You have SMS?
Yo, pick up your phone.
Wait, marching band. I don't understand that.
Excellent. The phone is ringing, Smithers.
Oi, 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 oi. Thanks.
That was weird.
Ring, 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 ding, ding, ding.
Oh gosh, it's so crunchy. Ready? Message from the doctor. Cool. Okay, well guys, sadly that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. And comment down below which one was your favorite, and if you comment down below also if you want me to do another video similar to this with other funny ringtones. And make sure you like, subscribe, press the notification bell, and bye guys. See you guys later.